Are you with the right partner? During a seminar, a woman asked, "How can I tell if I'm with the right person?" The speaker noticed a man sitting beside her and asked, "Well, is he your partner?" She hesitated for a moment before replying, "How do I know for sure?" The speaker smiled and said, "Let me help you with that because chances are it's something you've been wondering about, understanding the relationship cycle. Every relationship goes through phases. At first, everything feels exciting. You eagerly wait for their calls, crave their touch, and find their little quirks charming. Falling in love is effortless. It just happens. You don't have to try to love someone at the beginning. That's why it's called falling in love. People often say, "I was swept off my feet." Think about that phrase. It suggests you weren't actively doing anything. Love simply happened to you. But as time passes, months or even years, those intense feelings start to fade. This isn't a sign that something is wrong. It's just how relationships naturally evolve. You may notice that phone calls become less exciting or even feel like an obligation. Physical affection isn't as frequent, and the little quirks you once found adorable now irritate you. Every couple goes through this shift. What once felt thrilling might now seem ordinary or even frustrating. At this stage, many people start questioning, "Am I with the right person?" They reminisce about how things used to feel and wonder if they'd be happier with someone else. This is the turning point where many relationships fall apart. The truth about lasting love. The secret to a successful relationship isn't about finding the perfect partner. It's about choosing to love the person you're with. People often blame their partner for their unhappiness and look elsewhere for fulfillment. Some seek excitement outside the relationship, whether through affairs, work, hobbies, or even distractions like excessive TV or social media. But the real solution isn't out there, it's within the relationship itself. Yes, you could fall in love with someone new, and for a while it might feel amazing. But eventually you'd end up in the same place again because the cycle repeats. Here's the key. A strong relationship isn't about finding the right person, it's about learning to love the person you chose. Keeping love alive isn't passive or effortless. It takes work, consistent effort, time, and emotional investment. Most importantly, it requires wisdom. You need to understand what nurtures love and actively apply those principles. Just as the physical world operates on laws like gravity, relationships have their own set of rules. If you follow them, love can thrive. If you ignore them, relationships deteriorate. At its core, love is not just a feeling, it's a decision. Your choice matters. Remember this, you don't always control who enters your life, but you do decide who stays, who leaves, and who you refuse to let go.